one of the things that you all have been covering greatly with the Committee for Montgomery have been these special sessions and how they impact us. The first session, why don't you tell us just
Well, the first session was in the middle of May, and that was designed just to talk about taxes and the fact that the General Assembly that ended in April, that session did not finalize any sort of tax increase, so therefore there were going to have to be massive cuts in state government.
So they, I mean, what I understand was they went off, they met, they settled their differences, they took out a map of Maryland, and they put a big target on Montgomery County and said,
they did indeed,
let's shoot there.
What they decided to do, how they decided to get the increase in revenues, was to increase taxes for single people earning over 100,000 and households, dual income families earning over 150,000. And those people, 16% of the Maryland taxpayers, the tax-paying households, will have increases in their state and then local taxes.
With no respect for differences of cost of living and other things.
And of course, you can look at this and say, oh, it's just 16% of the taxpayers, but it is considerably more in Montgomery County. We do know that 40% of this tax will come from Montgomery County, of the increases will come from that. And just the median household income in Montgomery County is $95,000.
Well, and there was a lot of talk about maybe the Montgomery County position should be, okay, let's just go ahead and have these big spending cuts, because Montgomery County isn't going to be that as impacted as everybody else. But if we have the tax increase, basically we're going to be ending up now funding the spending for the rest of the state.
Exactly, and that was some discussion, but the Montgomery County delegation pretty much fell in line.